After doing multiple trips to Thailand, I wanted to come here and look for a long-term visa. So that's when I checked about the DTV and I found out that Arun Thai was offering a course. My name is Dharma and I have worked in the stockbroking industry for many years. But after I quit my job, I decided to move to Thailand, and I think Arun Thai has been very useful for me to make the transition. I wanted to settle down in Thailand for the long term because I really love the country and I wanted to explore a lot about the place and also the culture over here. So I was in the process of acquiring a long-term visa. After doing multiple trips to Thailand, I wanted to come here and look for a long-term visa. So that's when I checked about the DTV and I found out that Arun Thai was offering a course based on which I can apply for the DTV visa. It was very good and it was very seamless because initially I had a lot of questions about how the school is going to help me get the DTV and everything. So there was a host of questions that I had, and Arun Thai was really helpful in assisting me with all the details and about the whole procedures and everything. And then they eventually guided me when I accepted the cooking course and proceeded with the payment. So they guided me to the visa agency, which is Visa Compass, about with regards to the whole application process. Currently, this is my 4th month. I've taken a 1-year course, so I'm on the 4th month, and the sessions have been really good. And I'm actually liking it because I actually like cooking. So I do practice some of the dishes they teach me here. I do go home and practice them, so it's been very helpful. But I really like the style, the cooking style, and the method, the way in which they teach us. It's very. Yes, I do. It was really nice because I was not expecting hands-on training, and also I was thinking possibly they're going to teach us in a group or something, but it was rather individual. Every person was cooking while the teacher was teaching, so it was really helpful in that way because it makes things easy to understand, and also you get to learn a lot. Agents, they were extremely helpful, in fact, with every step of the way. Starting from the application itself and the documentation and also preparation for the interview, guiding with what are the exact requirements, the nitty-gritties of the whole process. In fact, since they're such experts in processing visa applications, they actually guided me on how to make the application so that there's a higher chances of me to get the DTV. So they were very helpful with that. Absolutely, I would definitely recommend the cooking class here at Arun Thai. First of all, not only is it helpful for the DTV, but rather it's also an amazing experience and to learn Thai cooking. So in both ways you're benefiting, and also the process of getting the DTV becomes very simplified when you go through Arun Thai, because they are giving you a special course which is approved for the DTV and makes it easy. Thank you.